At least I noticed it right away, you know what I mean? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're rocking a different style of batwing eyeliner. Happy Halloween. Oh, look, it's mother and child, parent and child. Just outroed the jack-o'-lantern bag video. Sorry if that looked like I was punching you. Sorry about that, actually. I've been working on this video for months. I'm so excited to finally be able to start editing this video. I probably should have started editing it a long time ago, but I was afraid that, I feel like this is boring, but like every few videos that I edit, like the vlogs or whatever, I have to go through my laptop and like, you know, clean up, delete the clips so that it's not overloading my laptop. And I didn't want to upload those clips to my laptop to then later accidentally delete them, because then this video has to be seen by the world. I'm just so happy that I finally did it. I finally did it. I'm just so excited to see the final thing. See the final video. It's gonna be great. Anyways, so what I thought, well, you know what? Why don't we check on the jack-o'-lantern keyboard rug that is all rolled up? Well, hopefully not anymore. And then also I want to show you the big bat rug that I think you and I can finish carving before stream. I have like an hour. All right, here is the bat rug. It's looking amazing. It's so fantastic. So the only parts that I still need to carve are these lines on his wing. And then I think this V part still needs to be carved, but then that's it, besides the edges. So I figure we can do that right now. Welcome to the next day. I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday. Don't care. But also it's because I thrifted these overalls, right? But they were in the Halloween section, and I think it's because they're missing this thing. So I got a whole bunch of replacements. It was weird though, because I couldn't find any replacements of this piece that split right here so that I can put it on there, because this one has like a split there. So yeah, what I'm thinking of doing is just taking some like wire cutters and splitting it right in the middle. It broke the whole thing. It split the entire thing right down the middle. Cool. I would have to cut this, loop it, take this off, loop it through. No, I'm not doing that. One of these has to work. Oh, it's not breaking. It's not. It's just falling out of the top thing. Okay. So it's not that they're breaking. It's that this is just not connected to anything. It just sits in this top piece. And when I split it, it comes out. All of them were like this. Okay. They did not have the split. Hear me out. Okay. Wait. No, not a rubber band, not a rubber band. A piece of yarn. If I had ribbon, do I have ribbon? Do I have really thick ribbon? This buckle is not the same as this kind. I just discovered that. If you knew that this whole time, I'm sorry. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm just gonna leave this buckled forever. Can't believe that worked. What do we think of the bow? It's a little something. It's something. Let's give the ends a little snip, and then it looks like that. If you don't know how to do that, you just fold the ribbon onto itself. You can fold it the wrong way, and then it just comes out like a point instead. If you do it the right way, it comes out like that. This is stupid. All right, besides my overalls, I am obsessed. It came out so perfect. My original idea for the bat was to have him be like a hanging upside down, like wings closed kind of bat. I have to put Jacqueline away because we had Jacqueline out yesterday for stream. And if you don't know, I do stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but also I have a channel point redemption where you can have me work on whatever I'm working on, but with the jack-o'-lantern mask on. It's fun and I love it. But also, I think we're going to have to like take a stream where we make like a paper mache one or a fabric one, because the way that I made this, what did I use? I used like a different glue because at the time I was using Robert's glue, and if I put a mask on that had Robert's glue like just surrounding my head, I think I probably would have passed out. So the glue I used, I cannot remember. Was it like Elmer's glue or something? I don't know. It's not for this sort of thing. So there are certain parts, especially around the mouth, because when I'm wearing this during stream and I'm trying to carve or whatever, I do try to like see out of the mouth hole, and there are chunks that have come out. So anyways, I do have to put her away. And there she goes. And there she stays. But I do think it would be really fun to make like a paper mache one. And it would be lighter. What I'm thinking we should do is try backing the jack-o'-lantern keyboard rug. It's been sitting squished flat for like days. So if it curls, I'm just gonna have to have Sean help me. We also started carving the frog yesterday. So this is the not carved hand, and then the other is carved. I just love it. I feel like the hand came out so great. Leaving that there for now while we hopefully back these curling. All right, got one of my scraps. Scraps are literally perfect for the keyboard rugs. So I'm so glad that I hoarded all of these scraps. All right, so I flipped it over and took off, you know, the things. It's curling a little bit, but I feel like I can get in there. I especially think I can make this work if I do the edges first. So that's what I'm gonna try to do with my glue. I swear I opened this before. Sorry. Oh God. Okay, so I did take a couple of hours to start editing the jack-o'-lantern bag video finally. It's gonna be a big edit. It's gonna be big. And to like get it so that it's digestible, not super long, because y'all know me, I like to yap. I like to explain things to the absolute fullest, as if somebody is going to make a tufted bag. I don't know, but maybe. Anyways, so now I have about like an hour left before I have to make myself do the dishes because they're just too much for me right now. I would like to back the gummy worm rug, finally. And this will be the last thing to back. There were so many pieces on this frame. 3 keyboard rugs and 3 larger rugs. Why do I feel like it's so much more than usual? We're gonna back this, and it's gonna be annoying because all of the blobs are like curled in, and it's gonna be fine. It's the last one. This is the last one. I won't have to back for a couple more weeks. Gonna have a sip of my matcha. I should have done this earlier. This rug is spectacular. I don't know what to tell you about that. I don't know what else to say about it. What do you want me to say? It looks like a gummy worm. Color-wise and like blending and stuff, one of my favorites. It looks so good. One thing that we still need to do with it to make it more gummy worm. I need to carve into it to give it its like ridges, you know what I mean? I've already kind of drawn into it with my fingers so that you can kind of see. But that's kind of the last thing that we need to do for it. Besides like fully cleaning it up and then the edges and then, you know, there's still some stuff, but carving wise. Because yesterday on stream we did carve out these little highlight lines on stream. And I was wearing the jack-o'-lantern mask. So I don't know how I carve with the jack-o'-lantern mask on. I'm thinking we get started. It came out so good. Like a little bit on the ridiculous side. Look at it in all of its stunning gummy glory. I'm in love. Oh my god, look how cool it is. I feel like the lines really, okay. The lines really took it there. It's just so fun and like bright and pretty and happy. And I feel like the two colors that I found are actually like, it's just gummy worm. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end this video here. Pretty sure you're not watching this the day you're supposed to. Some things, I'm trying to like work through some things right now. But you're watching this at some point, so thank you so much for watching it. I appreciate that. I still have the spooky ramen rug, and I also knocked it down in price, just like a little bit. And you know what? I'm feeling crazy right now. If you get spooky ramen rug, maybe I'll send you a random embroidered beanie that I still have. Random, you can't pick. Also, I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday over on Twitch, and I stream my entire rug making process. Tracing them on the frame. Well, actually, we also discuss like designs and stuff, and then tracing them on the frame, and then tufting them all the way, and then cutting them down and carving them. Anyway, all the links for all the things are down in the description. I love y'all to absolute death. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.